51 and a half.
He was denied a permit for doing something similar. You know, like a double car garage.
Can you reach under there and put pressure? 42, we'll go 50. My brush is starting to spin. And it was, I had to bring up some codes from Juneau. I'm like, if Juneau's colder than you guys are, or we are here, you know, like, there's no reason to put water in because we were having systems freeze on us.
Jeez, this is for testing to make sure there's no
You
leaks.
know, it's like, well, they're like, it's dangerous, it can blow up. Well, shit, so can anything. I can blow it up with water too. You know, if I pump water into that bad boy fast enough, I can do that.
Here we go. Well, that's so much easier with the flexibility there.
All right. Done. Well.
The rough-in plumbing is done.
Rough in, waste and venting, I should say.
Waste and venting.
Obviously, except for the connection to the crawl spaces, which is what I'll stage for now.
Are you going to do that today?
I don't know.
So tomorrow's the crawl space, right?
Tomorrow will be crawl space and waters.
Okay, water lines.
We figured out a way.
Well, we got you here anyway.
That's it. I'll get to the upper room and go. Try not to bonk my head. Okay, so let's see. I got my drill. Love to see no water drips as I walk in here today.
And the water's coming out the other faucets.
That's awesome. In line with it too. Ooh, she's hot in there. Holy moly.
Sky, who's up there? Well, that means you're done.
That means I'm done.
Fantastic. Let me come get that. On a hot afternoon day, Keaton ran this vent pipe through the attic and connected it with a T to existing vent.